Hello and welcome to another quick update video about Bitcoin. Not too much happening, nevertheless want to give you an update because it seems like Ethereum is breaking out, Bitcoin not yet, and that increases the chances of a fake out for Ethereum. Or maybe, and that is what we had before obviously, Ethereum is leading the way this time and is going to move ahead and Bitcoin is going to follow. Bitcoin's chart generally much weaker than Ethereum's, for example. It remains interesting. So let's take a look at the updated Elliott Wave count here, just to give you an update about where we are and just to remind everybody from the low here at 17,600, 17,500, we can currently assume carefully, very carefully, that the low for Bitcoin was in. This is in no way guaranteed yet. Yeah, and I'm not confident enough to tell you that the low is definitely in. Absolutely not. That's why I try to remind everybody and also to make things clear in every video. I will give it currently a probability of 60%, and that is not because of a bias or because I want it to go up or anything. No, it's purely what the wave count is suggesting to me. Yes, a bearish scenario is possible. But that will get much less likely if we really move above this wave 1 high. Now we haven't done that yet. We've broken it briefly, but that is not substantially moving above a level. That was just a fake out. Above that level at 24,305, it will make the case for the bearish scenario much more difficult. However, the key level for the bearish scenario is this one here. 25,755. That is based on the Elliott waves and the extensions for the bearish scenario that is still possible. The key level, yeah, that is the key level. This one, yeah, and this one and only this one. So if we take a look at the Fibonacci extensions, you know, a bearish scenario would be that we say, all right, this was a wave W, this was a wave X, and then we are moving up in a wave Y. And this Y wave, yeah, the target for that would be the 1.618 extension. That is this level. And that is highly relevant. Now you can then look at it in the bearish scenario in the wave Y as an A, B, C. Yeah, but this C wave then, yeah, would, and that is where it doesn't fully make sense, because this C wave, you know, look at the C wave, we would have only done a wave 1 and a 2. A C wave is also consisting of 5 waves. So it would be very long. Yeah, it would be very long, and that would just make it more difficult to uphold the case for the bearish scenario, because the wave Y would then have to be much longer than it normally would be. Yeah. Yeah, so here, for me, it remains, the key level remains the 25,755. Just to mention that, okay. But already above the wave 1, it will get much more difficult to uphold this scenario. That's an important level because on the other hand, on the flip side, it increases the probability of the bullish scenario if we can move above the wave 1 high, okay. So this is currently what the, and again, the bearish scenario will also get more likely, even if we don't reach the 25,755, but we come down now further and we lose this wave 2 low at 20,700. That will also make the bearish scenario much more likely. So let's get that out of the way. Looking at the bullish scenario, which again, 60% probability for that, we've done a wave 1 to the upside here. We came down in a 2. We are now in the wave 3 in pink. Within this wave, we've got a 1 and a 2, and we're now in the wave 3. I had a few questions about that. Why? Well, if we have this higher degree wave 1, that's sort of the highest degree of this move, then a 2, and now a 3. In the 3, you have 5 subwaves. So every wave has subwaves, and the wave 3 has 5 of them. Now, looking at this, you've got the 1 and the 2 here, and then the 3 would be the next one, and then there will be a 4 and a 5, and that will complete the wave 3 in pink. But of course, even this wave 3 here has 3 subwaves, and that is where it might get, also this wave 3 has 5 subwaves, and this is where it might get confusing for many people who haven't really, haven't got a lot of touch points with the Elliott waves, but this is how you apply it, right? There are waves within waves within waves, and the smaller you go, the more fragile they get. the more unclear the situation might get. But that's what we try to identify. And we are now in this third wave of the third wave. Or not yet. We are in the second wave of the third wave. That means I would expect to get a reversal. We've come into this target range, in this reversal range. We have reacted to it bullish. So we've moved up, but we have not yet left the channel to the upside. That is the channel that we eventually need to leave to the upside to confirm that we are getting, that we're moving on, and that we are starting the wave 3. Until then, there is no evidence at all. This would be the first evidence we can get, a move above this level, a move out of this descending channel, and then ideally we want to see a move above the wave B at 23,468. And then the next target for the bulls needs to be that 24.3k level. Yeah, and that's pretty much the update here about Bitcoin. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, and also take a look at the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.